How to change mobile number in Deutsche Bank. Deutsche Bank is a major German multinational investment bank offering services in investment banking, corporate banking, asset management, and retail banking across 70-plus countries. First, go to Deutsche Bank website and log into your account. Changing the mobile telephone number will require a new activation. Please select the mobile telephone number you wish to use for the mobile TAN procedure into the field provided and finish the input by pressing the next button. To complete your details bindingly, please enter the requested TN. Next, click on the Execute Order button. Now activate your new mobile telephone number for the mobile TAN procedure. To do this, click on Next. Then request the activation code to check your mobile telephone number by clicking on the Send Activation Code button. If you do not receive an activation code within the next 20 to 60 seconds, please check your mobile telephone number. Please enter this 6-digit activation code into the fourth section of the registration screen. That's it. Thanks for watching.